Take a look at this. Look how creamy, look how rich, look at this goodness. You might be wondering, what is that? Well, guess what? This is a facial wash that can be doubled as a facial mask that I use potato and some amazing ingredients that is great for the skin topically. This will help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin from the starch of the potato. This also have hydrating properties that will hydrate the skin, your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Not only that, it also have skin brightening properties. That means it's gonna get rid of hyperpigmentation, just as black spot on the skin, dark circles. This is also great for getting rid of blackheads and whitehead on the skin. This also will help to get rid of discoloration on the skin. It is ideal for the face, the neck, and the décolleté. You can use it daily as a facial wash, AM and PM, or you can use it weekly, 2 to 3 times a week, as a facial mask. Apply it on the face, the neck, and décolleté. It is very easy to make. I even have a skincare line using potatoes. So if you're interested in the skincare line, just click on the view products on this video. And guess what, guys? Look at this. Just look at this. If you want to know how I made this and you're looking for clear skin, bright skin, younger, fresher looking skin, then continue watching the video. So the first ingredient is going to be potato, and I like using potato on my skin. I've even gone and make a skincare line using potato. Potato help to tighten and firm the skin while getting rid of hyperpigmentation. You're looking for younger, fresher looking skin, help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. To prepare the potato, I'm going to use 1 medium potato. For this recipe, we are using white potato, also known as Irish potato. Do not use sweet potato for this recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to peel off the outer peel of the potato. Now, potato contains these ingredients known as catecholase, which is activated when the potato is cooled. So when you make this recipe, go ahead and place it in the refrigerator, chill it for a more effective remedy on the skin. Now, once this is done, I'm going to chop the potato in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. Now, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you could grate the potato. So take the potato, place it in the blender, and now we are going to be blending. Now, after blending, I'm going to reach for some lemon. And I'm squeezing just a wee bit of the lemon. This is a vitamin C rich, and this is going to help to lighten and brighten the skin. Also going to help to keep the potato from coloring. Now, after blending, I'm going to strain. We're getting rid of the particles. So go ahead and strain. If you're looking for more of an exfoliating facial wash, then you can go ahead and use it as is. Now make sure to get rid of all the lumps. And you can basically see that this has blended out pretty well. There's nothing much left. Now we're going to put it all together. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of the potato mixture. Pour this in a small bowl. My next ingredient is going to be some milk, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of milk. Pour this in. Milk is rich in lactic acid, help to lighten, brighten, help to clean the pores out. Milk also help to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. It's an amazing ingredient to use as a facial wash. So 2 tablespoons of milk, adding this to the potato mixture, and now we are gonna mix, and we're gonna mix well. So we are blending potato, lemon, and milk. And no, this is not gonna cradle because we use just a wee bit of the lemon in the recipe. Now once this is done, we're going to move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is going to be some oil, and today I chose to use grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light oil. It will not clog the pores. Grapeseed oil is great to use on most skin type, even if you have oily skin. So about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. And now I'm going to blend this in. You can choose to add this back to the blender, or you can choose to just whisk it as I am showing here. Now your remedy is done, and I'm going to pour this out in a small jar or any small container you have. Make sure to sterilize. We are making a facial wash, a skin firming facial wash that can also be double as a facial mask. So once you pour this in and you set it aside, it's going to get a little thicker. And this you are going to be using on your face. You can use it AM and PM. To use it as a wash, just take a small amount, place it in your hands, and just use it to exfoliate the face in a circular motion. Exfoliate, exfoliate. We're also going to take this on the face, the neck, and the décolleté. And once this is done, you're going to rinse off. If you're using this as a facial mask, you're going to put a generous amount on your face, and you're going to leave it on your face for at least 15 to 30 minutes. And then you're going to rinse off with cold water. Brighten, remove hyperpigmentation. Also, this helps to tighten and firm the skin. Go ahead and store the leftovers in your refrigerator. Now, if you are looking for an even more brighter skin tone, go ahead and add a dash of turmeric powder in this recipe. This is going to give you more skin brightening properties, and it also gonna speed up the process of giving you smooth, clear, bright, radiant, glowing skin.